What's going on, y'all? Day 91 DSK. This is the final episode of this series. I'm about to go on a trail run right now with Crystal. I just felt like getting out in the woods, getting some trail running in, so I got my trail shoes on, about to go on a run. While I'm doing that, here is some footage of my last day of DSK, kind of some of the compositional changes, so check out that footage now. Alright, y'all, we're recording on my phone right now. I'm going up the mountaintop. What do you think, Crystal? Good? She gave us a thumbs up. We're good. Alright, y'all, we're running. We'll take a little breather to walk. Pretty steep here. Crystal hadn't done a trail run in a while. I haven't done a trail run in a while. Crystal's shoes are not cut out for this. She's rolled her ankle twice. She's holding strong, though. We got this. Check out one of the views up here. What do you think, babe?
It's very pretty.
Very pretty. Heck yeah, y'all. This is better than running on a treadmill any day of the week. I'm back on the grind. Sunset's coming in. How you doing back there, Crystal? Good?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. I had my headphones in. I'm good.
You good?
Good.
All right, here we go, y'all. Here we go. All right, y'all. DSK in the books. This run is in the books. We're like 4.5 miles cross country. Loved it. Super beautiful. Pretty sunset. Pretty countryside. First time I did this in a long time. Had a blast. Crystal had fun. It was great. For everyone that's done the DSK course for 90 days and made it through, I'm super freaking proud of you. I truly, truly am, from the bottom of my heart, proud of you. For those of you that are about to do it, good luck. I'm really proud of you for doing it, in your process of doing it, and in the conclusion of doing it. The thing I love about DSK is honestly the thing I love about competition prep dieting and just training and nutrition and discipline in general. We live in a world where everybody has a surplus of everything. Everybody's cup runneth over, and DSK is an opportunity for you to go without, you know, be disciplined, be strict. Like, do not give in to that temptation and just get that you do not need. And in doing so, you're gonna learn more about yourself than you could possibly imagine. And if you've done that, I'm proud of you, you know? So, there's always an airplane flying over when I'm making a clip. I don't understand it. So, sorry for the audio there. Back at you. I don't know what my next series is gonna be. I might take a little bit off from the daily vlog. Not that I don't love daily vlogging, I just need like a little breather to figure out what my next series is gonna be. That said, comment below what you want the next series to be. Like, I love doing the daily vlogs. I think it keeps me accountable. It's an opportunity for me to exercise discipline and just consistency, which I think is the backbone to any success in life. So let me know what you want to see next. I've had, you know, requests for muscle building, like a bulking phase. You know, the cutting obviously, but I'm in a bulking phase right now, so I don't necessarily want to do another cut. So let me know what you want to see more of in the series. I'm totally open-minded to it, so just let me know. And that said, I'm gonna go home and get something to eat, and we're gonna tackle the day Next week, we're gonna have our largest batch of keto brick, our largest production launch of the keto bricks. So that's gonna be going down on Wednesday, probably midday Central Time. So look forward to that. I'll keep you posted on that one. I'll probably do another video in preparation for that. But yeah, been a pleasure. I've enjoyed these 90 days doing it with y'all, and I've learned a ton about myself. I hope you all learned a ton about yourself, and the camaraderie is there, and I appreciate that. You can't ask for anything more than that. I'll catch y'all next time.